Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Land Rover Discovery Sport. Now this is the HSE luxury model, so it comes very well specified from the factory. This is obviously the 7-seat variant, so you can buy these vehicles in a 5-seat and a 7-seat, obviously 7-seat being a lot more desirable for larger families. But the HSE luxury car comes very, very well specified. The car's finished in Loire Blue metallic paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. So when it's slightly darker like today, it just has this sort of navy colour which shows the lines of the car beautifully, and then when the sunshine comes out you've got a fantastic metallic fleck in that paintwork. We've got a lot of bright silver detailing, a lot of gloss black detailing throughout the vehicle, so we've got these nice fancy HSE autobiography style grab handles. We've got our LED daytime running lights with the headlamp wash. We've got our lower fog lamps as well with the bright silver surrounds, obviously front and rear parking sensors with the reversing cameras. We've got mud flaps all around. We're riding on a bigger 20-inch alloy wheel which looks absolutely fantastic. Now those are also finished in a lovely sparkled silver. Again, they look fantastic when the sunshine hits them. We've got privacy glass to the rear, a full panoramic glass sunroof, LED rear tail lamps, HSE luxury badging to the rear. Now this one has also got the addition of a detachable tow bar, which I think's absolutely fantastic. Looking through to the boot, in there you'll find this lovely pouch. Obviously within there is your detachable tow bar, so you'll find that photographed in the pictures. We've got rail mounting points, so if you ever want to mount something down to the bottom here you can do. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back and a USB charger, which is ideal for the third row passengers. And then you've also got climate control in the rear, so rear air conditioning. You've got the vents in the back found just there, so obviously this parcel shelf pops out and then the seats just fold forward. You've got split folding rear seats in the middle, so if you're looking to use this as a sort of van, you can do. You've got your full Pan-Am glass roof there, which looks absolutely fantastic. But it's a fully electric tailgate, so just press of a button, that glides down. We've got our camera found just in there. Coming through to the driver's side, we'll come through to the door cards. So these seats, they are the memory electric heated and cooling seats, so they pretty much do everything for you. It blows cold air through the perforations in the seat. Obviously got the heated pads in there as well, all fully electric functions on there, and they are freeway memory, so it's ideal if you're looking to share this vehicle with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button, that will automatically adjust the seats and the mirrors to exactly where you want them. We've got the Meridian surround sound system. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, illuminated kick plates, and then jumping inside you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel, and a very nice feature on this one, we've got the heated steering wheel function. So ideal for those frosty winter mornings. Pop your heated seat on, pop your heated steering wheel on, and you're good to go. Now on the steering wheel you've got your cruise control and speed limiter, voice command, Bluetooth phone, all your volume and media controls. You've got the flappy paddles which follow the wheel as you turn it. Automatic wipers, automatic lights. Now this is a 2016 and it's only covered 47,026 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've also got lane deviation assist on this vehicle. Coming through to the center display, just pop the camera in my other hand. So when you press through to the home menu, that's the 4-panel display that you get. So we've got our media, so Clicking through to source, that's your DAB, FM, AM, aux. Obviously you've got Bluetooth phone, so that will pop up on there saying Bluetooth music. Climate control is a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously you've got those front seat functions, so I've currently got my heated seat on, so we're +3, and then you've got the cooling seat, which is -3, and you can actually feel the cold air blowing through the perforations in the passenger seat. Now you've also got the rear air conditioning, as I mentioned before, so that's nice and easy to operate as well. Clicking back through, satellite navigation, a very nice and responsive system to use. And then you've got other features, so reversing camera, 4x4 information, your ambient lighting, as this one does have ambient lighting, which when your headlamps turn on, you can tell you've got all the lights inside the cabin turn to a colour of your choice. So you can fully adjust all the colours, spark blue, daylight, whichever you like. We've also got self-parking, so we've got perpendicular parking, parallel parking. It's saying it's found a parking spot there, and you can also exit a parking space, so that's quite a neat feature to have. Clicking through to 4x4 information, if you ever get stuck in a snow or a mud rut, you've got the low traction launch and your off-road information as well. Dual zone climate control, as I mentioned before, so easily controlled via the scroll wheels. You've got your full drive select display, so on-road, normal, which is just comfort, grass, gravel, snow, and so on. Gearbox with the sport mode, electric parking brake, central arm cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, and then this actually pops out like so, and you get quite a bit of storage in there, so if you ever want to hide anything in there, you can do. Central armrest with your aux, USB and 12-volt power outlet. On the passenger side, you get the freeway memory as well, which is fantastic. And then just having a quick look at that pan roof. It's a fixed pan roof. You do have the power blind, so if you want to close it all up, it's just press of a button and that will come over like so. But whilst we're doing the demonstration video, I'll keep that open and I'll show you through to the rear seats, or the second row of seats. So inside, obviously Meridian Sound System follows through. You've got Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, a nice central armrest with 2 cup holders and a bit of storage. You've got 2 USBs and a 12-volt power outlet for phone charging, and then these rear seats are heated as well, which is fantastic. So specification wise, a brilliant car. Heated seats for the front 2 and rear 2, cooling seats for the front ones. You've got privacy glass, satellite navigation, self-parking, 20-inch alloy wheels, Loire Blue, panoramic glass roof, 3rd row seating, deployable, detachable tow bar. This is a big spec vehicle. So, if you'd like any further information on the car, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so if you'd like to book a viewing for this vehicle, please do get in touch. We'll happily book you in. If you'd like anything further, so a personalised video or more images, we can do that for you. All of our cars go through a 128-point pre-delivery inspection, and then obviously from there, if the vehicle requires anything further, so an MOT or service, that all gets sorted prior to collection, and all of our cars come under warranty. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like to give us a call, you can do, but thanks for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.